Let's do a walk around video of this truck that I built. It's an Isuzu NPR. It's got an aluminum flatbed. Flatbed's about 13 feet long. It's got two 8-gallon-a-minute pressure washers, 730-gallon water tank. Pressure washers are in the top boxes. The lower boxes are storage. Carry a 24-foot ladder. Shade here, this lighting sucks. I got 6 hose reels on this side. 2 garden hose reels to fill to the buffer. 2 go to the pressure washers. One's DI window cleaning hose, and then the other is an ag chem hose. Hose reels are Hanny stainless. The 18-inch hose reels here are 1-inch manifold. The other 4 are 12-inch hose reels. The pressure washer plumbing exits here. Pull hose off the reel to each pressure washer. Connect here. The plumbing and the pressure washers are color coordinated. Each pressure washer has its own color. One's blue, one's orange. They have their individual FlowPro boxes to remotely bypass the injector. This is the plumbing back here. Each pressure washer has its own blend manifold. There are 2 12-volt chemical pumps, one for window cleaning, one for chemical transfer. I carry about 55 gallons of sodium hypochlorite. 22-gallon fuel cell. A couple 7-gallon tanks, not using at the moment. My surfactant, it gets mixed into the other 55-gallon tank there. That's more storage up top. Get these boxes opened up. These are Honda GX 690s with the Udor 8-gallon, I think it's a 3024 pump. This one here has got 1,100 hours on it. This one's got about 70. Everything is pretty much identical. Boxes have some storage. This is PPE. Fittings, tools, towels, window cleaning supplies. Blower, straps, miscellaneous. Kind of a mess right now. Each engine has a cooling fan and some perforation up there to help the airflow. Just want to make sure that it's kind of the downside of keeping them in the box. They do stay out of the sun, the elements. A little bit of water comes through when it rains, but not too much. The fans are controlled there. The fuel gauge comes on when one fan is running, so we can check fuel. That's about it. Up top, I've got another 18-inch Whisper Wash. That's where I'm storing my poles. Some more plumbing up here. See the fans there. Kind of a mess right now. I need to come up with a better storage for the poles and the brushes. Another shot in here. A little chaotic. It's got some chemicals, pump up sprayers, extra little things to throw in here. That's about it. Any questions or comments, just ask. Make more videos if you want. My name's JB, owner of JB Power Clean. Thanks for watching.